Hey guys, I got a new package here with some disc from the Armory Disc Golf Shop. Let's go ahead and open up to see what I got. So the first disc is the brand new. This is the Clutch Plastic Howler, and pretty bendy, pretty sweet looking. It's got a nice little halo effect around it. And the weight is 175. This is supposed to be a distance driver that's kind of between if you've ever thrown a bayonet and a warbird. And so I'm excited because I throw both of those and I like both of them. And so I hope this might become my new favorite. And I got another one as well, and an Armory sticker, so you know where that's going to be going soon. Oh wow, that thing is cool looking. It has got some really defined characteristics. That one is in the Clutch Plastic as well, 175 gram plus as well. But man, I like the feel. That feels good in the hand. I can't wait to go ahead and throw these. If you have any comments, please put them down in the comment section down below. Hopefully I'll have a video this coming week with one or both of these getting thrown. These are the prototypes, so they do not have flight numbers. So I'll probably put a guess on what I think the flight numbers should be. Whenever you see the Gorilla Performance disc with this red stamp and black outline, these are protos, and they are now pretty much all going to have blanks until they've decided what numbers work best and what plastics, because sometimes they throw a little bit different. The Savage plastic is the harder one. So it's not near as bendy as this, but I like the bendy plastic. I live up north, and the cold does get to me in disc golf season in the winter, and having a little bit more flexible plastic gives you that better grip. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comment section below. Hope you all have a great day.